Happy New Year, everyone. It's a brand new year, and we're kicking things off with some exciting new plans for Gorilla Hands Garage. Follow me. Welcome to Gorilla Hands Garage. For those of you new here, welcome. I'm Derek, and I'm passionate about motorcycles. We're starting the year off fresh by organizing the shop and getting ready for some very exciting projects. 2024 was a year of growth. We restored our first motorcycle, and we started this YouTube channel. This year, I'm diving deep into motorcycle repair with in-depth video courses focusing on specific models. We're tackling everything from basic maintenance to in-depth repairs. We'll also go on test rides where we can do some MotoVlogs, maybe review some gear, definitely talk about the bikes. I'm also going to take you through how I built the business start to finish. I'll show you my revenue streams. I'll show you how I document each bike and what parts I buy for every bike that we buy. So don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can come with us on our journey, and I can't wait to meet you. Thanks, guys.